Are you looking for a trading platform with low fees, strong margin support, and a user-friendly interface, even on mobile? Then OKX might be on your list. But is it really the right fit, especially if you live in the US, Canada, the UK, or Australia? In this video, I'll walk you through my real experience using OKX. From account setup to deposits and withdrawals, from the interface to the risks beginners should be aware of. And finally, a 40% trading fee discount if you want to give it a try. This isn't a hype video or a takedown, it's a practical perspective to help you save time, money, and avoid costly mistakes when getting started. If you're considering OKX, don't skip this. OKX is one of the largest crypto exchanges globally, with millions of users across Asia and Europe. It offers nearly every tool you might need: spot trading, futures, staking, copy trading, launchpads, and more. The interface is powerful, the fees are low, and many traders see it as a strong alternative to Binance. However, one critical note: if you're in the US, you cannot use OKX officially due to regulatory restrictions. For users in Canada, the UK, or Australia, it's accessible, but there are a few limitations you should know about before signing up. Creating an OKX account is fast, but to unlock all features, you must complete identity verification, KYC. Uploading your documents and facial recognition usually takes about 5-15 minutes. Funding your account is simple. You can deposit crypto or buy via fiat using third-party services, but be aware, some fees may apply. A few users from Singapore and India have reported withdrawal delays, ranging from a few hours to even days, especially when using stablecoins or during network congestion. So if fast withdrawals are your priority, keep this in mind. When it comes to fees, OKX ranks among the lowest. Spot trading fees start at just 0.1%, futures maker fees can go as low as 0.02%, and if you hold OKB tokens, you get even more discounts. But low fees alone aren't enough. User experience matters too. OKX's interface is sleek, the mobile app runs smoothly, but beginners might find it a bit overwhelming. Margin, cross-margin, isolated margin, leverage. It's easy to click the wrong button and open a leveraged trade without realizing it. Here's a true story. A beginner thought they were buying BTC normally, but accidentally triggered 20x leverage. 10 minutes later, the entire account was liquidated. In 2024, over 60% of margin liquidations on OKX came from new users. So if you're just starting out, honest advice: stick to spot trading until you fully understand how margin works. OKX does offer proof of reserves, promising one asset backing. They're licensed in regions like Singapore, Dubai, and recently in Europe under MiCA. Still, there are a few transparency concerns. The company doesn't disclose its global HQ location and lacks FDIC insurance like US banks. And again, US users are currently not allowed to use OKX officially. Compared to Binance, OKX may be slightly easier to use, but it has fewer tutorials and support resources. Compared to Coinbase, OKX is much cheaper, but not as beginner-friendly. If you're in Canada, the UK, or Australia and want to trade futures with low fees, OKX is definitely worth a look. But if you prioritize safety, clarity, and Vietnamese language support, you might want to consider BitGet Lite or Coinbase Advanced instead. So, should you use OKX in 2025? Yes, if you have experience, want low fees, trade futures, and don't live in the US, maybe, if you're new, need quick withdrawals, or aren't familiar with margin trading. And if you do want to try it, I've included a special link below for 40% off trading fees. Start small, test the platform thoroughly, and always understand the risks before depositing large amounts. Have you used OKX before? What was your experience, good or bad? Share it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next video, I'll do a side-by-side comparison between OKX and Binance using live trades. See you soon, and trade smart.